Welcome to the new video. Most of the students, they don't like circle related to circle questions. The past paper question mainly related to circle. Actually, they totally hate. So, if you get the correct idea based on the theorem, this topic circles very easily you will get marks, no doubt. So today this video, the second part of the circle, it will help to the extended students. Circle part 2, extended questions. In this video, only one theorem you will learn. Based on that theorem, I collected some past paper questions from the past paper textbook, mainly 2013, 14, 15, 17. So recently questions only I selected. So you will get the idea easily. Step by step I will explain. So while watching in my video lesson, you have to take the notes. If you have any doubt, you can just inbox me. So let's start. Before starting this lesson, you have to learn one basic idea about circle. You know many things about circle, right? Radius, diameter, circumference, arc, sector, chord, segment, like that many things you learned. Here just to remind one thing only, that is segment. What is segment? This diagram is clearly show that you can understand that segment. What is a segment? Simply we can say that is slice made by a chord. That is a simple definition. That is a slice of a circle made by chord. This is also another example of segment. What is the definition? It's just a slice made by a chord. So look this. Here one chord is there down. Now look, I am here inside near the chord. From the chord you can look to x angle and another x2x is there. That two angles are from the chord, right? In the same segment that angles made. So this theorem, next theorem, that means in this video I told no one theorem you will learn. That theorem is angles in the same segment are equal. Got it? Very easy. Look, this is the chord, I am here, look to me. From that, look, one angle is there, x, another angle is same, okay? That angle made from the same segment. So, the theorem says angles in the same segments are equal. That is the theorem. Very easy. You have to just remind your mind, keep it one file related to one circle. Inside the circle, one subfile you can keep. That is angle theorem. That is angles in the same segment. Second, you can write angle theorem second. Then name it the file, and in that file you can just write in your mind angles in the same segment are equal. So let's do one example. Here one segment is there, that is here AB. You can do one chord, one slice you will get, that is segment. From that segment x, y, z made by the same segment, that angles. So what's the theorem says? Look, that yellow marked angle. Angles in the same segment are equal. For example, the x value 100, y also 100, z also 100. If x is 30, then y value is 30, then z value also 30. Then you can remember like this, angles in the same segment are equal. So the y also 30, z also will come 30 degree. So let's do some past paper questions. These questions I collected especially from extended, that means past paper P2 and P4. So okay, the first question, this is the diagram. The question is, the chord, two chords are there, that chord, two chords are intersecting at angle at the T, then made some angles like that. You have to find the value of x and y. That's the question. You have to find the value of x and y. In order to the question, you have to do the answers. First, you have to find x value. Don't try to find y first. First x. That is the way. If you do the way, correct way means answer will get easily. So x, where is the x? Yeah, this x. Then I am just here, okay, this here. There is inside, behind my photo, video, behind that there is chord, right? RQ. Look from the same segment, right? Then angle, what is the theorem? Angles in the same segment are equal. So easily, what is the value of x? Already one angle is 21, then x must be 21. According to the theorem, angles in the same segment are equal. Now we have to find the next y. Then I am moving from here to here. I am here now. That side is the chord, okay, PS. Then y, you can just think from the red colored marker R and Q. I am here. From me look to the same segment, okay. The angles made by same segment. Here is a segment. So that R and Q must be equal. Why? The theorem says angles in the same segment are equal. So, but there is one problem, right? We don't know one angle. If it is one angle x, easily we got, right? One angle is given 21, automatically x is 21. But here it's not mentioned at least one angle. So very difficult. Okay, then what to do? There is one triangle, right? This triangle. Consider this triangle. There are three angles, but two angles is given. 21, 117. Then easily you will get the third angle. How much? 180 minus 117 minus 21. That is equal to 42. That means this value, R value, you got 42. Then angles in the same segment are equal, right? So what is the y value? 42. Very easy, right? No need to think that, no need to by heart, nothing. Very easy. Only thing you have to just remember, no need to by heart. Angles in the same segments are equal. That's only. So let's move next. Yeah. This is another question. Here ABCD lines on the circle. The chord is there, AC and BD intersect at X. Then angle BAC is given 28 and angle AXD 52 degree. Calculate which angle you have to find. XCD. You can like this question if you don't spend much time, maximum will get 3 or 2 marks. So you have to reduce the time. Limited time only you can spend for like this question. So what we have to do that here, look here, only x you have to find, right? Yes, I am here now. This is the chord. That's two angle, yellow marked angle. One is 28 given. Then how we can find the next one? Angles in the same segments are equal. So that two angles, second angle we got 28. Okay. The next. The question given AC and AD intersect at X. That means AC and AD, DB, AC and BD are intersecting at the point X. So any two lines intersect each other at a point, they will form four angles. In that four angles, opposite angles are equal. I just marked red angles, right? Those red angles are equal. But one angle is given, then another is what 52 opposite angles. Then one more pair is there, right? This one, yes, that colored angles, opposite angles, that also must be equal, but don't know how much. But we know one thing, that angles are equal. So then one more thing we know, that is at a point, right? AC and BD are intersecting at x. At x. That means the points, the angles at a point. How much is that? Angles at a point. That is the very basic elementary things. Angles at a point 360. So 52 plus that blue colored angles plus another 52, that is must be 36. Then we can give one letter, for example x or y, is that something like that. If you which letter you like, okay, no problem, up to you, but I choose here x. So angles at a point is 360 degree. So x plus x, that is the blue colored angle, okay, x plus x plus 52 plus 52 is 360. Then you can do some algebraic work, you will get x equal to 128. So one angle you got 128. This opposite angles also you will get, that's no need actually. Actually we have to find this angle, right? Here I am here. This angle you have to find. So consider this triangle. Now two sides are given. Then very easily the basic theorem, triangle, third angle, very easily we can find, because sum of angles in the triangle 180. So 180 minus 128 minus 28, that is equal to 24. Then answer is 24. So like this question, you have to just listen, think about the question what actually given. According to that you have to just go through, no, nothing more you can think, because the code is given, intersect at x, then angles at the point 360. Like that only you can slowly, step by step, according to the question, step by step, if you do, then answer will get very easily. No need to that much complicated. Okay, so let's move next. Yes, question is there, diagram is here. So here find the value of w, x, y, z, 4 marks question. This total you will get 4 marks. So w, x, y, z, that order only you can find. Don't find first x, first z. No. First, which order the question given, according to that only you can do. First w. W was w, which angle? W. Okay. This, consider this triangle. W is inside one, that is triangle inside one angle is w, right? That angle you have to find. Then just look the question, first line itself. That I told no one relation, that the question and the answer, question, the line given the question and the find the value wx, that order one relation is there. So look, AD is the diameter. AD is the diameter means what we can, what the idea will get. AD is the diameter means that is a semicircle is there. So that triangle inside the semicircle. Triangle in a semicircle is a right triangle. Okay. So W is there, 60, W you have to find 60 is there. This angle, how much it will come? That is 90 degrees. So 180 minus 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30. Now W we got very easily, that is 30. The next what we have to find? Next is x, right? Then I just marked that, okay, 22 degree, that is blue colored, that and x. Now which is the code? I am here. Okay, now look to me, I am there. Okay, that is same segment, right? The angle is this angle, and here I am here. Now what is the angle theorem? Circle theorem. Angles in the same segment are equal. So one angle is 22, another is automatically 22. So x 22. Now we got w, x. Next question is y. Okay, y. Just same like I am just moving from there to here. Look to me now. The same segment I am. Okay, DC. The same segment. That means what will come? that yellow colored angle, okay, W and Y are equal. The W we got already before, how much? 30 degree. So Y also 30. What is the reason? Angles in the same segment are equal. The next and last we have to find now W, X, Y we got last, Z angle. Okay, this angle we have to find. Then that red marked colored angle and another here one angle. Okay, that too, is there any connection? In the question, AB and AD are parallel line. So is there any relation? There we can see one Z angle, right? Yes. That red colored two marked, that angles we can connect with Z angles. Z angles are equal. But here that above that red color, the red colored mark angle, how much total? That red color means sum of W plus 22. So what is that? 22 plus 30, 52. That means above that red color angle, what is the answer? 22. Right? 52. So this angle also, how much? Z angles are equal. So Z is equal to 52. Now very easily, okay, no need to that much think more. What actually given the question, according to that step by step you can just do that. First which question asking W, that order also you have to must keep. Then only will get easily. Otherwise if you select a different question means, for example, if someone will think, okay, I will select Y. Don't. W, X, Y, Z, that order you have to keep. Okay, let's move next. Yeah. This is a diagram, shows a circle is there, center O. Center O. Then you have to think about center O means diameter, semicircle, right triangle. Like that you have to think. Then find the value of X. Here 53 is given. Then I am here now, this chord, inside the chord. So angles in the same segments are equal. So the next second yellow colored angle must be 53. The theorem, according to theorem, same segment, angles in the same segments are equal. So 53 is the answer. Then next, what we have to find? X we have to find. Here, this we have to find. Then think about just before started time I told that question. Started time I told center O. You have to think diameter. Diameter means semicircle. Okay, then right angle. So what about given diagram? We can see one right triangle, right? Yeah, there will be angle. What is the angle that? Yeah, 90 degree. 90 degree. So then consider this triangle. Two angles are given. How we can find the third angle? Very easy. 180 minus 90 minus 53, 37. So the answer 37. I think you got it. This very easy, simple, very simple, right? Yeah, easily you will get 2 marks. This 2 marks question. So I hope you got it the idea. So let's move next. Yes. This if you see the diagram, maybe you can okay, think very difficult, but very easy. We have to find angle CD. This you have to find, right? So one angle is given here, 58. Then here, look, I am there inside the chord now. Look to me. From there you can look, these two angles are which type? The theorem says angles in the same segment are equal. So one is 58, another must be 58. Then again there is center O. That means think about diameter, semicircle, angle in a semicircle, right triangle. So that angle, how much it will come? 90 degree. So 90 degree. Then look at this triangle. Look, two angles are given, 90, 58. How we can find the third angle? 180 minus 90 minus 58, 32. Look, very easily you will get. No need to by heart that much theorem, something very easy. Actually, maths is a logical subject. If you get the idea, if any complicated question you can do easily, I am sure. So, next question. This question not that much easy, but and not that much difficult. In between easy and difficult. But if you do the step by step, you will get answer. What actually we have to find angle ADC. That, look, in that circle one end is given 52, another end that you have to find, right? So step by step we can do. In that diagram you have to, there is one line is there, AD is a straight line. Straight line means you have to just think about what angles in the straight line 180. Like that idea you have to just keep it in your mind. So then look, one line blue color I highlighted. This all highlighted lines are radius. That means OA, OB, OC and OD also radius. Then first consider this triangle, okay, this part, only this part. Their two sides are equal. Two sides are equal in a triangle. Two sides are equal means, what is that? Just to think, guess it. What is that? Isosceles, yeah, yes, isosceles triangle, right? Triangle OAB is isosceles. What is the property of that isosceles? There is, if isosceles means base angles are equal, then 52 means this angle also 52. That means base angles in the isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Base means there is two side equal means down, that next side is base we can consider. So that means 52. Then this triangle, how we can find the third angle? It is very easy. In a triangle 180 is the total angle, so 180 minus 52 minus 52. That means answer 76. Now the first triangle, all angles we got. Actually we need that 76 only. For that you can we connected all those things before. So we got 56. Then just you can think about this two triangle OAB and OBC. Is there any connection? Triangle OAB and triangle OBC. Let's first OAB, OBC. Is there any connection? Yes. Check OA. OB is equal. Then OB is equal. OC and OA. All sides are equal. Then again one more question given. These two sides are also equal. Then all sides are equal. That means if any two sides same shape and same size, we can say congruent, right? Triangle OAB and triangle OBC are congruent. In the case of congruent, if all sides are equal, then all angles are also same. Here 52, here will come 52, 52, 76. So the next second triangle, that marked angle, how much it will come? 76. Then what is the next aim? Next aim we have to find. Then one, look, this is 76, okay. The next, next I just highlighted one more angle is the last small triangle, that DOC. That angle we have to find. That is our next aim. For that, in that question, I just now look, underline is there, blue color. AD is a straight line. Starting question I just shared about what straight line you have to think about, what 180 degree, like that. So how we can find that small angle, that is a straight line. Straight line means 180 minus 76 minus 76, you will get that, that means 28. Now the last triangle, look, yeah, that's two yellow, that blue color. That lines are which type, any relation is there? Diameter, OD, OC diameter. That means that small triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means, what is that? Triangle ODB is isosceles. If isosceles means base angles are equal. One angle that we have to find, okay, that ODC, that we have to find the angle ADC, that black colored. One more angle you can just means those two angles are equal. Consider the small triangle ODC. Those two base angles are equal. Why? That is isosceles. OC and OD are equal. That is radius. So that's equal. So we have to find those two. How we can give any name, okay, letter. Oh, okay, your name also you can give, no problem. If anything you can, but it must be same, because those angles are equal. Those two black colored angles are equal. So I selected, normally in maths we are selecting x, y, z. So I choose x. So x plus 28 equal to 180, because triangle, right? Total sum 180. So do some algebraic work, it will get x equal to 76. So at last we got the answer. What? Angle ADC 76. So I hope you got it, the idea. Simple steps by step, okay. First maybe you thought is very difficult, but very easily, slowly go through the questions from the diagrams, the what actually given the question. According to that you have to just move step by step, then the answer will get very easily. So I hope you got it. These are some questions I collected from the past paper, especially extended. So like this question you can collect from the past paper and try to do yourself, okay. Many questions are there like that. So I hope you will do that. Same question, the same segment, some question, many questions are there in the extended, sometime in the core also. So collected those all questions. If you have any suggestions, any comments, any that doubt, this inbox you can just text me, I will reply. So thank you, have a nice day.